Hi, this is Dustin from PrinterLogic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a custom floor plan map to the Printer Installer self-service portal and how your end users can use the self-service portal to easily install printers on their own. To set a custom floor plan map, you will want to find a picture file that is one of the supported formats of JPEG, GIF, and PNG. Since Printer Installer does not auto-adjust the file for you to the end user's computer screen, you will want to use a pixel medium that will work well across most monitors. At PrinterLogic, we have found that the 850 by 480 pixel is a good medium that will work on most monitors. However, you may need to make adjustments to that pixel medium for the monitors in your environment. Once you have decided on the file you would like to upload, you will need to select the folder you would like to upload your floor plan map to from the folder tree. Next, you will need to select the Map tab in the center of the screen. You will now click on the Upload Background Image, which will take you to a screen to assist you with browsing to your file and uploading it. Once you have your background image selected, you will then click on Upload Image. Now, with the image uploaded to your folder, you can then easily drag and drop the printers from the gray box on the left-hand side onto your floor plan map. You can also adjust the printer icon size on the map by right-clicking on the icon and then selecting the size you want it on the map. Now, once you hit Save on the right-hand side, it will then send these changes to the self-service portal page. Once the end user refreshes or logs onto their portal page, that folder will now show that map with all of the printers on it, as well as the list view of all of the printers that they can select and install. The end users can easily access the self-service portal by typing in the URL of your instance of Printer Installer, or by clicking on the Printer Installer icon in their system tray. When they click on that icon, it will launch the portal for them in a new browser window. For the user to install a printer on their own, they have two choices. The first option is to hover the mouse pointer over the printer icon on the map that they want to install, and then move down and click on Install Printer. When they are prompted with "Do you want to install this printer?" they can click on Yes. The other option that they have would be to click on the printer in the list view, and then when prompted, "Do you want to install this printer?" they can click on Yes. The printer will then start the installation process, and then when it finishes, a box will appear letting the user know that the printer has been successfully installed.